French food, it's famous everywhere. But there's more to it than buttery croissants and rich sauces. Real French cooking is about fresh ingredients and simple recipes. It's about enjoying food and savoring every bite. French food isn't just delicious, it can be healthy too. Think about colorful salads, fresh seafood, and light soups. These dishes are full of flavor and good for you. The French know how to balance indulgence with healthy eating. They enjoy rich foods in moderation. They focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients. And they make every meal an occasion. So, let's dive into the world of healthy French cuisine. Get ready to discover delicious recipes and learn the secrets of the French lifestyle. You might have heard of the French paradox. The French eat cheese, pastries, and even foie gras. Yet, they have lower rates of heart disease than many other countries. How is this possible? The answer lies in their approach to food. The French prioritize quality over quantity. They eat smaller portions and savor every bite. They also cook at home more often, using fresh, whole ingredients. Furthermore, the French lifestyle plays a role. They walk more and are generally more active. They have a relaxed attitude towards food and don't stress about every calorie. The French paradox shows us that healthy eating isn't about deprivation. It's about enjoying delicious food in a balanced way. French cooking isn't about fancy techniques or complicated recipes. It's about letting the ingredients shine. Fresh, seasonal produce is the heart of French cuisine. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato picked at its peak ripeness, or savoring the sweetness of strawberries in early summer. French cooking celebrates the natural flavors of each ingredient. Simplicity is key in French cuisine. Dishes are often made with just a handful of ingredients, allowing each flavor to shine through. Think about a classic French salad: fresh lettuce, ripe tomatoes, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Simple yet incredibly delicious. This focus on fresh, seasonal, and simply prepared food is a cornerstone of healthy eating French style. The French have a deep appreciation for quality ingredients. They believe that good food starts with good products. This is why visiting the local market is an integral part of French culture. Imagine strolling through a bustling market, filled with the aromas of fresh bread, ripe cheeses, and colorful produce. Vendors proudly display their wares, eager to share their knowledge and passion for food. The French take their time selecting ingredients, carefully examining each item. They believe in supporting local farmers and producers. This dedication to quality is reflected in the taste and quality of their cuisine. By choosing the best ingredients, the French elevate their dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Section 5. Vegetables, the unsung heroes of French cuisine. While French cuisine is often associated with rich sauces and buttery pastries, vegetables play a starring role in many dishes. They are the backbone of numerous recipes, providing both nutrition and vibrant flavors. From simple side dishes to elegant main courses, vegetables are celebrated for their flavor and versatility. They can be roasted, sautéed, grilled, or even served raw in creative salads. Think beyond basic steamed vegetables. French chefs elevate them to new heights with innovative techniques and seasonings. French cooking transforms humble vegetables into culinary delights. Each dish is a testament to the chef's skill and the quality of the produce. Carrots are glazed with honey and thyme, creating a sweet and savory side dish that complements any meal. Green beans are sautéed with garlic and almonds, adding a crunchy texture and rich flavor. And zucchini blossoms are stuffed with delicate fillings, turning them into a gourmet appetizer. One of the most iconic French dishes, ratatouille, is a testament to the power of vegetables. This dish showcases the harmony of different vegetables cooked together. This rustic stew features eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes, all simmered together in a flavorful tomato sauce. Each ingredient adds its unique taste and texture. The French embrace vegetables in all their forms, incorporating them into every meal. From breakfast to dinner, vegetables are a staple. This emphasis on plant-based foods is a key factor in the healthfulness of French cuisine. It not only enhances the flavors, but also contributes to a balanced and nutritious diet. Section 6. Beyond baguettes. Exploring the world of whole grains in France. While the baguette holds a special place in French hearts and on French tables, it's not the only grain in town. The French also enjoy a variety of whole grains, adding nutritional value and depth of flavor to their meals. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas are staples in French kitchens. They add protein and fiber to soups, stews, and salads. quinoa, barley, and buckwheat are gaining popularity as healthy and flavorful alternatives to rice or pasta. Even bread, the cornerstone of the French diet, comes in whole grain varieties. Look for pain complets or pain aux céréales for a nutritious and delicious option. The French understand that a balanced diet includes a variety of grains, and they incorporate whole grains into their meals in delicious and satisfying ways. Section 7. A symphony of flavors, herbs, spices, and aromatics in French cooking. French cuisine is a celebration of flavor. Fresh herbs, fragrant spices, and aromatic vegetables are used to enhance the natural taste of each ingredient, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. Think about the earthy aroma of thyme, the bright citrus notes of lemon zest, or the subtle sweetness of caramelized onions. These simple additions transform ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Herbs and spices not only add flavor, but they also offer numerous health benefits. Garlic and onions are known for their immune-boosting properties. Rosemary is a good source of antioxidants, and thyme has antibacterial and antiviral properties. The French use herbs and spices judiciously, allowing each flavor to shine through without overpowering the dish. This delicate balance is a hallmark of French cooking. Section 8. Wine not? Enjoying alcohol in moderation the French way. Wine is an integral part of French culture, enjoyed with meals and celebrated for its ability to enhance the dining experience. But the French have a healthy relationship with alcohol, embracing moderation and mindful consumption. Instead of guzzling down glasses of wine, the French sip slowly, savoring each drop and appreciating the complex flavors. Wine is seen as a complement to the meal, not the main event. Furthermore, the French typically drink wine with food, which slows down the absorption of alcohol. They also drink water alongside their wine, staying hydrated and pacing themselves. The French approach to alcohol consumption demonstrates that it's possible to enjoy the pleasures of wine while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Section 9. Savoring the moment. The art of the French meal. In France, meals are more than just fuel for the body. They are a cherished tradition. They are a time to connect with loved ones, share stories, and savor the pleasures of good food and company. Meals are often seen as a celebration of life itself. The French have elevated dining to an art form, embracing the ritual and enjoyment of each meal. Every detail, from the table setting to the presentation of dishes, is carefully considered. Meals are typically leisurely affairs, with multiple courses enjoyed over the course of several hours. This tradition allows diners to fully appreciate each dish and the company they are with. This allows time for digestion and conversation, fostering a sense of connection and well-being. The extended time spent at the table strengthens relationships and creates lasting memories. The French also believe in mindful eating, paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of each bite. This mindfulness transforms eating into a sensory experience. This practice enhances the sensory experience of eating and promotes a deeper appreciation for food. It encourages people to be present in the moment and truly enjoy their meal. The French approach to dining is a reminder to slow down, savor the moment, and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. It teaches us the importance of taking time to enjoy the little things. Section 10. Joie de vivre. The connection between food, culture, and well-being in France. The French have a zest for life, a certain joie de vivre that is evident in their approach to food, culture, and well-being. This unique perspective is woven into the very fabric of their daily lives. They understand that food is more than just sustenance. It's a source of pleasure, connection, and celebration. Meals are often long, leisurely affairs, where conversation and laughter flow as freely as the wine. This appreciation for food is deeply ingrained in French culture, passed down through generations and celebrated in their art, literature, and daily life. The French take pride in their culinary heritage, which is evident in every bite. From bustling markets to family-run bistros, food is at the heart of the French experience. These places are not just for eating, but for gathering, sharing stories, and building community. The French lifestyle, with its emphasis on walking, socializing, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life, also contributes to their overall well-being. This balanced approach to life helps them maintain a healthy mind and body. They prioritize balance and moderation, indulging in rich foods and drinks without overdoing it. This mindful approach to eating allows them to enjoy their meals without guilt. The French understand that true happiness comes from savoring life's simple pleasures, and food plays a central role in this philosophy. By embracing this way of life, they find joy and contentment in everyday moments. Section 11. Bon appetit. Embracing the French approach to healthy and delicious eating. French cuisine offers a wealth of inspiration for those seeking a healthy and delicious way of eating. By embracing fresh seasonal ingredients, simple cooking techniques, and a mindful approach to dining, we can all experience the joy and well-being that comes from enjoying good food. So, ditch the diet fads and embrace the French approach to eating. Cook at home more often, using fresh whole ingredients. Savor each bite and appreciate the flavors. Share meals with loved ones and make dining a social occasion. And remember, life is too short to deprive yourself of the pleasures of good food. Bon appétit!